Hi everyone, welcome to our latest video on the Royal William Yard on the River Tamar in Plymouth. Constructed between 1825 and 1831 and named after King William IV, who you see here, the yard contains the largest collection of Grade 1 listed military buildings in Europe. After coming through the main gate, ahead of you and to the left is the new cooperage building, with restaurants and bars such as Pierre's. Opposite this you'll find the guardhouse and civil service officers' residencies, now office space. Beyond this is a beautiful archway out to Firestone Bay that was used on occasion to unload goods during the 19th century when the weather was bad on the other side of the yard. Coming through the arch, you have almost 180 degrees of views across Plymouth Sound, featuring the lights of Mountbatten and Drake's Island. In the centre of the yard is the Melville building, which is due to become a hotel soon, thanks to the developer's urban splash. This is Mill's Bakery. Originally a bakery and subsequently a clothing and equipment store, this is now home to luxury apartments and restaurants including Prezzo and the Secco Lounge. Outside there is an original dock crane that lies next to the modern marina. On the subject of the marina, it now also features a ferry service into the Plymouth Barbican area. Behind this view is the Brewhouse building, featuring apartments and restaurants such as Las Iguanas and Wagamama's. Around the harbour there are a few more features that really reflect the history of the site. Other buildings, including the cooperage and the first building on the site, Clarence, are a real mix of commercial and luxury residencies. If you haven't been before, it's really worth the trip. Royal William Yard is one of Plymouth's finest gems. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and follow us on other forms of social media. Thanks.